Good morning, guys. I'm gonna go out for a ride today with Bike Life 209 on Facebook. You make sure you guys check them out. I haven't ridden all week, so I'm gonna take the Jixer out today. I'm gonna go ahead and meet them up. Hopefully I can catch up with them, but I'm leaving a little late. I'm gonna meet up with them right downtown. We're gonna take a little short ride to Nice Ferry. So see you guys in a bit. Man, my gas light's on. I gotta go put gas real quick. But yeah, I haven't ridden my bike for a good week, pretty much. Just been busy working and doing other things, you know what I mean? But for sure, I need to get back on here and make a few more content. I know I had some requests for doing some pros and cons on an R6 and a CBR, so those two bikes are completely different from each other, so that's gonna be fun. Expect that in the upcoming videos for sure. But again, it's a nice day today, man. It's been a nice day all week, but it is hot though. They're pushing 100, so. But as you guys can see, the gas is starting to go up. When I started riding, they were kind of in the twos. That's like $3 a pop now, so still cheap on a bike though. I'm getting like maybe $8-10. When I first started riding, I was tripping out because I was paying like $5-6. So I'm supposed to be meeting him up here where the bus station is at. Across the street there's a McDonald's, but we'll see where they're even still there. Morning, guys. Alright, man, these guys look like a wild bunch, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, man, I'm here with these guys. They look like a couple of good guys, but they look wild. And you know, wild is good. It's all good. And if we're making a right. Whoa, man. Oh, man. Yeah, you're blinking, bro. Loud as hell. The blinker is still going off. With the rowdy ass bunch today, I'm just gonna low-key keep my distance. Hey, that thing's loud, man. Yeah, man. So wild, man. Super wild. Fucking stupid wild. Oh! It's coming! back here behind me, the one that joined us, he's kind of chilling back there, so I don't know if something's on his bike, or he's not experienced, or he just doesn't want to smash. But, you know, gotta respect the homie and just kind of wait for him a little bit. Fucking wild. Hella wild. Yeah, oh man, you'll fucking kill switch his ass right now. Yeah, that guy's wild, man. Remind me to never ride next to that guy. Oh shit. Oh hell no. I'm not fitting through there, yeah. But you was. Hey, great. Yeah. So these guys are just casually riding on their gas tanks like they're meant to be there or something. It's chill. I love it. Oh shit! They'll be doing some crazy fucking ninja shit! Alright man, we out. We out here in Nice Ferry. Took a quick ride. For all the people who missed out, good for you.
Yeah, good for you. Any of the freaking
oh, you motherfuckers out
yeah.
like the page. To me, when you like something, that means you're gonna show the fuck up.
But check it out, man. Hey, that's a good picture right here.
Hey,
some of the pictures is live.
But for sure, we'll be cruising with these guys again. Welcome to my channel, by the way, guys.
Oh, hey, we out here.
Yeah. Throw your shit at me so, you know, I can give it a shout out. People will follow yours. Buy some merch. All right, man. But it's all good. All right, my man. Hey guys, I'm trying to get your attention, so if you're watching this video, I made it right back there. Alright guys, see you next time, fellas.